What's going on, guys? It's Sammy at Raptors. We got this commercial fleet heading out for delivery today. We did the Sprinter. It was a tough job, but we got it done. It looks beautiful. It's catching all the eyes. We got the CLS 63 chrome candy gold red. You know, this came all the way from Florida. These guys heard about us and they've been bringing their vehicles. They'll go the distance just to make sure it's good, it's well done.
I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it.
We got the Audi in here, A7. We're finishing it up here. We also got the Subaru BRZ. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. There's a lot of details going on in this car. We're taking the parts, we're taking it apart, putting it back together. A lot of people don't know the process, but it's very, very intricate process that we get involved in the car. It's not just wrapping. Sometimes we got to take parts out and put them back in, and we have the best in the shop here to doing that for us.
As you guys remember, we have the wide body BRZ. Currently doing the trunk on this vehicle. We're doing Alright guys, so if you guys might remember, we have the wide body Subaru BRZ. The car is currently going in Tiffany blue, so I'm just finishing up the trunk. That's the last panel. I'm doing the back of it in Tiffany blue and the top in Galaxy black. Yeah, it's over there. Just to mix it up a little. So yeah, check it out.
change it.
Alright, bottles on me, long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I could teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. About to go Thriller, Mike Jackson on these niggas. All I need is a fucking red jacket with some zippers. Super good Smitto.
What's going on, guys? Stas here. Samuel was just on the phone, showing you guys the process of all the cars that are leaving today. He's gonna show you. We have a car, GTR, just came all the way from Ottawa for a full wrap. So stay tuned.
So follow me, guys. Check this out. What we love the most about our shop is it has such a strong brand. We have a GTR all the way from the 613. That's where Stas and I and Cash are from. We're so excited to do this car. We love the fact that customers trust us and know that we're going to do a great job. We're customizing this entire exterior here. We're looking forward to show you guys what we're doing next. Check out our Instagram, check out our YouTube, Facebook, see what we're up to, stay updated on the stuff that we're doing. We're very excited. We're taking cars from all across the country, and so if you guys want to come through, check out what we can do with your cars. We'd love to see you here. We'd love to meet you. Take care.